Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to configure this particular product called as Qlik Migration Accelerator. So I will go on to my web browser and open localhost 3020. So the port which is it is running on is 3020. I will just open this and here I have this particular UI. So the default username is admin and there is a default password that they will actually share with you, which you have to change it. So I will agree the license terms and condition, which you can just click on it and read it out. I will just hit on login, and when you do that, it will just tell you to add your email address as well as the password. So you need to change your password. So it is a very default password that they actually give it to you. So please ensure the email address that you use is the email address that is being used to get the license from Wowizer team. So I have added the email address and my password. I will hit on save, and now I will just log in using the password that I have saved, and now it just tells me to add the license key. So please ensure that you actually use that particular email address. Now I do have the license key that is being shared with me, so I will just go and take the license key. So I will just apply my license key and upload a certificate file that these and upload a certificate file that is being provided. So I'll just hit on this. This is a certificate file. I will hit on validate, and now it says that it's valid. Now I have to add a mail config. So I'm just going to add the Outlook mail config. So please make sure the mail ID that you use is the mail ID that is being registered for the license. So I'll hit on save. Yes. So it's telling that it's configuring. Let's wait for it. And the test mail is failed. So now it is accepted. My password was not correct. Now it's telling me to add the client manage configuration. So in the right hand corner, you will see a button called as add config. You need to hit on this particular button. When you hit on this, a dialog box will appear where you need to add the IP address or the host name of your system. And I am going to add those details here, and I will provide the enterprise certificates. I will add the Qlik application ID and a configuration name for this because it technically is telling us that it supports multi-tenant also. So over to here, I will just add, let's say, prod. I will say underscore client managed. Okay, so underscore again, it's a special character, so it is not taking. So I will save it. So it's telling us to add a app ID. So let's log in into our client managed, and over to here they have provided us an application, and we are going to add the. And so I have added my configuration. So there was a virtual proxy that is to be created. So over to here, you have to go to configuration settings, virtual proxy, and JWT was the virtual proxy that is to be created. So these were the steps given by these guys, and I have just performed that and I have saved it, and now the configuration is up. And in the Qlik Cloud config, the same thing, I have to click on this particular button and add my tenant URL, API key, ID, and configuration name. So I will say cloud client managed cloud dev, my tenant ID, tenant URL, and the API key. I will hit on save and the configuration is created. And now I have all the options available here. So in the next video, we are going to migrate these users to Qlik Cloud.